Okay, I dropped my phone at the end of the last clip, that I just shot, but I'm just going to redo it here. So, my aunt's house has 2 doorbells. One on the outside near the front door that's actually missing the button, and one that actually has the button intact, and both the bells actually still work. They run to a box in the kitchen. You're not going back outside, boy. Guess he told me. This one here has the missing button, but if I jam a screwdriver in, where's the hole? Yes. Haven't gotten zapped yet by the sparks, but I can't tell if that's simply a rubber contactor. What's in? The plane flying. You coming on, boy? You coming on, Khalifa? I'll have to check you for ticks in a little bit. He's been outside all morning. Just chilling out up at Donovan's house, probably playing with Debo. He's a little mental, but well, Debo's a little bit mental, but he's still a good boy. A bit over here next to the old gas grill and lawnmower. Here, this thing over the bell. And I don't know if you would have been able to hear, that was kind of faint. Front door is still open. But where the front bell produces the ding dong, that one only produces the lower of the 2 tones. So if I can get the motor on the inside ringer to seize, I'll basically be able to show you. Probably gonna zap myself here, but I haven't done it yet, but This is what the secondary bell sounds like. Not that tone. The lower tone, basically. My aunt said she would order a replacement outside button for the front door, and I'll try to wire it up while the power's off, of course. This is what the box looks like on the inside of the house. Just made of plastic. And Khalifa over there drinking his water. So yeah, I don't know why I made this video yakking about doorbells, but I did. The previous one had jump cuts and stuff, but I dropped my phone at the end of it, and then I held it upside down. Khalifa. Who the best Khalifa? Don't you kick me. Oh, good to see that spot on you's going away. Do you have any ticks? Boy, I need you to stand up. Stand, boy, stand. Stand, not roll over.